Hey, what's going on YouTube? Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing a review of the Amurgo iPad 9.7 inch case. You can get this on Amazon.com for $14.99. Alright, now it comes in a couple different colors. You can get it in blue, you can get it in brown, you can get it in white, you can get it in black, you can get it in dark blue, you can get it in green, you can get it in hot pink, you can get it in orange, you can get it in pink, or you can get it in purple. So a couple different colors if you want to choose from, you know what I mean, in case you can't make up your mind on the color. As you see, I went with the red color. Now it's specifically designed for the Apple iPad 9.7 inch 2018 or 2017 model, the iPad Air, iPad 5th generation, or the iPad Air 2nd, iPad Air 2 6th generation. All right, it has a multi-angle viewing, 360-degree rotating stand, and the case is suitable for flexible landscape and portrait viewing. It has the auto sleep button, or where you can pick the auto sleep, and as you see, it is premium leather. All right, got a cutout right here for your iPad logo, cutout right here for your camera. On the bottom, you see it's wide open, so your iPad will fit in there. All your ports will be exposed, and the same with the top. Now if you open it up, you get this little band, which is good for sticking a notebook or something in there, to keeping it in place. And we get rid of this styrofoam, and like I said, you got the case right here that is wide open, so your iPad will fit right down in there, and it'll sit down in there. Let me bust out the iPad real quick. So before y'all come in and be on my comment section talking about my iPad is cracked and all this, it's not actually cracked, it's a screen protector that's cracked, and it was the last one that I had, so I wasn't able to change it out yet. So it is what it is until I get it right. But you see it fits in there, looks good. Apple logo back there looking good. But you see your volume buttons right here, up and down. See your camera is right there. Got your power button right there, still exposed. And you got your 3.5mm headphone jack right here. On the bottom, you got your speaker grills, and you got your lightning charger port. So you can hold this in a couple different ways. You can put it up, you set it up in portrait or landscape mode. So if you want to watch a movie or, you know, YouTube video or something like that, you know, you might want to catch this guy, Urban Tech Reviews. I don't know, I mean, it's up to you. But if you might want to watch a video or something, then you can watch it like this. You see it's rotating, so the 360-degree rotation on there, which is not bad. And you can probably set it up not that way, so just that way. Yeah, but I mean, it's pretty good looking. As far as protection, I like full body protection. I like something that's covering the whole thing, you know what I mean? So depending on where you drop this, it could definitely survive a drop. How high you drop this, it could definitely survive a drop. It's pretty thick as far as protection wise, and then this extra pad right here will probably protect your screen. But I mean, you get them just weird drops where, you know, you drop it and it opens up and hits face flat, and then your screen's cracked. So, or it drops and it just hits like a corner. These corners seem protected, so I'm not going to knock them and say that they won't protect your iPad. But as far as right now, I'm gonna say it's good. I'm gonna say it's a go. It is good to go. But Apple, get at me, man. Send me some free iPads and iPhones and stuff to drop, you know, so I can protect them and try out in these cases, you know what I mean? Yeah. But all in all, this is a good case. Without rocket, I would have to say I'd give it a try. You know, it's not really slippery or anything to where I worry about dropping it all the time. But me personally, I like to be fully 100% protected. I like, you know, the case outer boxes to go over top and stuff like that. My kids like to use you know, my electronics, so just in case, you know, because they not as careful as I am, so in case they drop it or, you know, drop it down the steps or, you know, anything, I would like to be fully protected. So in this case, like I said, I still would recommend it because I think that it's good, especially for the people who are not heavy droppers and breakers of electronics. But I'll leave a link in the description for this product if you want to buy it. I'll definitely leave that link up there for y'all so you can check it out on your own. Assortment of different colors, so definitely check out the different colors. If red is not your color, you know, you got different options to choose from. But it's D.O. aka Bonds Urban Tech Reviews. If you like this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that easily by clicking on the little Android guy in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all my social media sites, all you got to do is go into the description, click on every one of them links, and follow me on every one of my social media sites. And we out.